Hello, this is Bobby, Copel TV Repair, with a video of a main board for Vizio XVT3D. Let me decrease the sound a little. That was serviced apparently in October 2017 and was sent back due to some issues. We plugged it in the TV and it worked just fine. I'm just focusing on some unique markings on the board so that the customer know it is theirs. And this is the video that we have. And if you hear some sound, it is because we are making some reconstruction here and major expansion. So pardon the noise. The main board is working fine. We have the T-con board that we'll be plugging in just now to see what happens. I'm gonna hit the pause and we will try that and see what happens. Okay, here we are back with the replacement T-con. Top connected. Everything on the bottom connected. I actually just turned it on. It took a little while, and this is what we got on the screen, which tells me it's not okay. My guess is that we'll be watching this yellow line. It's gonna, the white Vizio at the bottom will be staying like that for a short while, and then it could go off. It really depends. The communication between the T-con board and the main board is severe. The main board will shut down when you start. It takes a short while, but it will eventually happen. So, pardon the sound again. But I believe we have a bad T-con here, and we will be proceeding to treating it and testing it individually with our own main, and then this one again.